Firstly, I would like to thank GSSSIETW Mysuru, Department of MBA, and our MOU partner, Business Toys Private Limited, for organizing this 5 days business intelligence and AI integrated specialization based certification program for all of us.
I really felt very interesting because I took major as HR analytics, because understanding what HRs actually do in corporates was given us a glimpse of it, because and giving us more than 4 to 5 case studies to solve, understanding what HR actually require from the people like us, the future HRs, was given us a glimpse of it, thus making us understand, okay, this is what corporate actually expects from us.
I learned about the digital marketing, business analytics, social media marketing, SEO, business analytics, Tableau and Power BI. These are the skills which are required in this generation. This gave me an experience where these skills would be helping and bridge the gap between classroom learning and industry expectations.
Before attending the workshop, I have the basics knowledge about the digital marketing. After attending the workshop, I know about how digital marketing works in the digital era. During the workshop, I learned about the fundamentals of digital marketing, website creation, domain and hosting.
I'm so glad to participate in this 5 days program, where I gained a practical knowledge about the financial modeling, which help us to take the decision about the financial modeling and financial analysis using few AI tools like Gemini, Claude AI and Copilot and Notebook LM. Overall, this training period helps us to learn technical aspect and also have the strong financial base. So I would like to thank our college for this opportunity for enhancing our skills. Thank you.